Hello, good morning once again. Welcome back to my video. This is once again Daddy GM. Ito po ang summer down the road number or part 7. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa main road. Tingnan nyo yung mga puno sa gilid. Ang ganda-ganda. So, let us preserve our trees that makes us cool down while nagdadrive tayo, nagbibigay sa atin ng kaganahan sa pagdadrive, peaceful mind, heart and spirit. So, be patient always, especially ngayon sa tag-init na panahon. So, every traffic, you should be patient. Check left and right kung maganda yung dapat mong daanan. So, wag mo madali. Just take your time. Be patient. And shout out din po sa lahat ng mga drivers. Shout out din po sa lahat ng mga parents, kids, teachers, and all the people walking on the streets. So, continue tayo sa topic natin ngayon regarding how to be patient in every road that you pass. So, not only patience, you need to be always alert sa kalsada. Huwag kang patulog-tulog, huwag kang mag-relax. Cool down, take your time to drive. Always check na nasa loob ka ng lane. Tulad dito, pag nasa left lane ka, stay in your lane. Pag pupunta ka sa ibang mga lane, be sure use your signal light. Okay? Wag mong kagayahin yung ibang mga drivers na drive na ng drive pero without any sensitivity. Okay? So stay in your lane because the way you stay in the lane makes you be a good defensive driver. Okay, see you again on my next video. Be patient, be cool, be alert, and always pray. So let us pray. Dear Lord, thank you for everything. Thank you for blessing us each day in our lives. Thank you for giving us a good day despite na mainit, but still we're thankful because you give us light along the way. Give us a good journey, and for our loved ones, for our relatives and friends, and so for everybody. Okay, see you again on my next video. Be prayerful, be thankful to God, and be always alert. God bless. Bye for now.